I'm Clíodna Shanahan and I play keyboards, so that's piano, harpsichord, Celeste and Synthesizer, and I'll be performing with UPROAR for this tour. I've played the ensemble once before and it was last year for their Welsh tour. I've played the Ligeti once before on harpsichord and tablet organ, and this piece is an absolute masterpiece. What I love about it is that it's got so many varied colours and textures, so it can go from real filigree, gossamer fine, intricate lines to really monumental granite chords. And the whole ensemble sometimes plays in their own speed, their own tempo, and then gradually converge towards point and gather and then disperse again. And I think that's a really fantastic thing to be part of.